I've used the Google Pixel 8 Pro for a week. And there's one feature nobody is talking about. It's either genius, or a total deal breaker. Here's the truth. Why this review is different. Every reviewer is obsessed with the Pixel 8 Pro's AI, but I tested everything: battery life, camera, even drop tests. And Google's biggest upgrade? It's not what you think. Scary good or just creepy? This AI literally erases people from photos. And it's terrifyingly accurate. But here's the catch, sometimes it leaves ghostly blobs. Is this the future, or just lazy editing? Battery life. Google lied? Time-lapse of battery draining. Google promised all-day battery. But with 5G and 120 Hz? 4 hours of screen time. I had to disable features just to survive a day. Is this a $1,000 phone or a power-hungry monster? The secret Tensor G3 problem. The Tensor G3 chip still overheats. After 20 minutes of gaming, my Pixel 8 Pro is hotter than my coffee. And don't even get me started on video exports. Camera versus iPhone 15 Pro, brutal truth. Pixel's night mode? Insane. But zoom in. And the iPhone's details are sharper. And video? Apple still dominates. Is Google's best camera claim just marketing? So, should you buy it? If you want the best AI tricks, yes. But if you need battery life or raw power? Maybe wait. Comment below, would you take the Pixel 8 Pro over an iPhone or Galaxy?